Hi everyone, here we've got the Motorola Moto G 5G Plus, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and let's choose the settings. Here let's tap on the display and click on wallpaper. As you can see here, we can choose wallpaper from live wallpapers, photos or regular wallpapers. So let me pick, for example, wallpapers. And here we've got the albums from which we can choose our wallpaper. We can choose, for example, from Earth album, art, cityscapes or geometric shapes. Let me pick something from landscapes, for example. Let's choose this one. And as you can see here, we've got our wallpaper. By swiping, you can decide how it will look like on a home screen. So let me pick something like this maybe. And if you are ready, click on Save Wallpaper. Now you can decide if you want to set it on your lock screen or home screen and lock screen. So let me pick both. And let's get back and check. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been successfully changed. So that's all. This is how to change your wallpaper in your Motorola Moto G 5G Plus. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.